Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I'm going to show how to make chicken vindaloo. Everyone knows it's a simple gravy and yet very delicious. So let's get started. In order to make the masala, I've taken 5 of Kashmiri red chillies, 2 of byadgi chillies, 1 pod of garlic, 1 inch of a ginger, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 5 of a cloves, tamarind, which is half a size of a lemon. The main reason I'm using tamarind in this is tamarind gives the thickness for the gravy. 3/4 spoon of a whole cumin, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. By adding only vinegar, I'm using toddy vinegar, just blend this to a fine paste. Once the masala is ready, add it to the chicken. I've taken one whole chicken cut in medium pieces. Check this out. And add salt is to taste. Mix this masala. Marinate the chicken nicely for at least an hour before we start cooking it. Set this aside. Let it rest for an hour. So let's start with the cooking process now. Once the pan is hot, add oil, add onion, which I have taken 3 small onions, finely chopped. Saute this till it gets golden brown in color. Now once the onion is brown, add chicken. Keep the flame on low and cook it in this without adding water. You'll see later. Mix it nicely. Once chicken start to leave the water, it will cook on that same. Cover it and keep the flame on low only. So after 15 minutes of simmering, check, this chicken is almost cooked. Check the consistency. Now I will add half a cup of water to this. Hot water. Mix it and let it cook slowly on a slow range. So check this out. Look at this beautiful chicken vindaloo. I'm going to turn off the flame and this is ready to be served. Try each and every step and make this recipe at home. You will love this.